I'm gonna put out. Again, it's called Nightmare by Apparition Sense.
Alright guys, Steve here, Tagged Out Productions. We got Rich behind the camera, Mark Jones Jr. in the blind, me and Connor Shank. We're out in Ohio again today. We hunted it the other day, only about a week left in the season. We got a front coming in, so we're going to try to bang them out before the season goes. So we got a front coming, hoping the birds are going to work and feed. We're running a pretty big spread today, hoping it all turns out for the best, but let's get them. Looks good, no doubt. Connor's gonna turn that one on and off. Yeah.
That's what they want. Alright, well, we had a nice flock of geese come in. I tripled up. 3's the limit in Ohio, so I'm going to start running the camera. Rich is going to go to the blind and start shooting, so hopefully we'll have some more come in.
All right, well, I want to give you a little advice on how we set our spread today, and especially these late season birds when they start getting a little wary. We've had the blinds in with the decoys. The decoys are tight around the blinds to kind of conceal us more, because there's not a lot of cover here. Even though we got the snow covers on, they can still pick them blinds up. I mean, they're square shaped and they're sitting up, and these birds are coming in so low that they can actually skyline you. But we got all these decoys right around our blind, and we run a little wing down here to kind of control them up to the top of the hill. And as you see, it's working out pretty good for us. But try to set your decoys to get them in as close as possible in the late season, because like I said, they are looking for you. They've been here. They've seen this from Canada down. You know, as the migrators come down, they're seeing guys in fields laying in blinds shooting at them. So they definitely are looking for you. But this will help hide you a lot better. These are big birds too. Well, we're coming to a close here in Ohio. We got a week left, and we did pretty good this morning here. One shy of a limit, but man, we had a lot of fun, huh, guys?
Oh yeah.
So they worked beautiful for us.
Yeah. I mean, they did exactly what we were hoping for. The front worked in our favor. I mean, the birds finished right in our face, and you know, we did our job. But it was a great shoot, guys.
Yeah, you can't ask for a shooting better.
Nah, it's just great.
And I like small flocks when they come in like that.
Yeah.
It doesn't give you as many targets, as much confusion. You know, you can pick them and take them out pretty easy. So I had a lot of fun.
Yep.
Yeah.
You know, I think the majority of the birds didn't show up yet, and we're going to try to get out of this field. We'd like to wait for that last bird, but we've discussed it, and we'd like to get out of this field before the majority of them fly. That way we don't ruin this field for later on in the week, and we could probably get one more good hunt out of here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Until next time, thanks for watching.